What causes ears to pop when atmospheric pressure changes? A. Increased blood flow to the ears. B. Swelling of the eardrum. C. The ears trying to equalize pressure. D. Vibrations from the airplane engine. The correct answer is C. The ears trying to equalize pressure. Which continent is Britain located in? A. Europe. B. Africa. C. Asia. D. North America. The correct answer is A. Europe. Groups of individuals who utilize nature to generate additional resources are categorized as what? A. Human resource. B. Ecological systems. C. Natural capital. D. Environmental factors. The correct answer is A. Human resource. What term describes ecological or natural migration? A. Environmental migration. B. Political migration. C. Economic migration. D. Social migration. The correct answer is A. Environmental migration. Where are the Banao rice terraces located? A. Sri Lanka. B. Philippines. C. Iran. D. Indonesia. The correct answer is B. Philippines. What is another monsoon direction to be marked on a map? A. Northeast monsoon wind. B. Southeast monsoon wind. C. Central west monsoon wind. D. Northwest monsoon wind. The correct answer is A. Northeast monsoon wind. What is one of the practical measures in India related to emergency relief activities management? A. Post-disaster psychological counseling. B. Development of long-range weather forecasts. C. Damage needs assessment and debris clearance. D. Debris accumulation and disposal. The correct answer is C. Damage needs assessment and debris clearance. How often does each Navstar satellite circle the planet? A. 3 times a day. B. Once every 2 days. C. Once a day. D. Twice a day. The correct answer is D. Twice a day. Besides Christianity, which religious groups are mentioned as spread throughout Europe? A. Zoroastrians and Jains. B. Shintoists and Taoists. C. Hindus, Muslims, and Jews. D. Buddhists and Sikhs. The correct answer is C. Hindus, Muslims, and Jews. How many types of metamorphism are mentioned in the text? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 2. The electronics industry provides equipment for which government department? A. Defense. B. Agriculture. C. Health. D. Education. The correct answer is A. Defense. Trade winds, westerlies, and polar easterlies are examples of which type of wind? A. Permanent winds. B. Monsoon winds. C. Seasonal winds. D. Local winds. The correct answer is A. Permanent winds. Ambergris is found in which region? A. Forests. B. Ocean. C. Mountains. D. Rivers. The correct answer is B. Ocean. What concept about the Earth is an objective to understand? A. Its atmospheric composition. B. Its model, the globe. C. Its distance from the Sun. D. Its magnetic field. The correct answer is B. Its model, the globe. Mount Elbrus is located on which continent? A. Europe. B. South America. C. Asia. D. Australia. The correct answer is A. Europe. Industries that rely on agriculture for raw materials are classified as what? A. Non-renewable industries. B. Mineral-based industries. C. Forest-based industries. D. Agro-based industries. The correct answer is D. Agro-based industries. Which of these is explicitly mentioned as an example of a forest-based industry? A. Chalk manufacturing. B. Furniture. C. Blackboard production. D. Processed seafood. The correct answer is B. Furniture. What is required to regulate the flow of water in perennial canals developed from perennial rivers? A. Rainwater harvesting systems. B. Extensive pumping stations. C. A barrage. D. Deep wells. The correct answer is C. A barrage. Which sea borders India's coastline? A. Mediterranean Sea. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Arabian Sea. D. Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is C. Arabian Sea. Which continent has both hot and cold deserts? A. Europe. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Africa. The correct answer is B. Asia. What is one example of a private sector industry mentioned in the text? A. Large-scale industries. B. Anand Milk Union Limited. C. Small-scale industries. D. Reliance. The correct answer is D. Reliance. What is the process called when water moves through the soil profile and rock layers to form groundwater? A. Infiltration. B. Evapotranspiration. C. Subsurface flow. D. Percolation. The correct answer is D. Percolation. What is the name of the planet discussed? A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Jupiter. D. Venus. The correct answer is B. Earth. Where are oceans and seas primarily found? A. In freshwater lakes. B. Not to the found in oceans and seas. C. Underground. D. On land. The correct answer is B. Not to the found in oceans and seas. In which area does indiscriminate felling of trees particularly contribute to increased flood and drought intensity? A. Catchment areas. B. Coastal regions. C. Urban areas. D. Agricultural lands. The correct answer is A. Catchment areas. Where is Mount Aconcagua located? A. Argentina border. B. Peru border. C. Chile border. D. Bolivia border. The correct answer is A. Argentina border. Compared to the east coast, what is stated about the west coast of India regarding storm surges? A. It is equally vulnerable to storm surges. B. It is less vulnerable to storm surges. C. It is more vulnerable to storm surges. D. It has no vulnerability to storm surges. The correct answer is B. It is less vulnerable to storm surges. What animal is a key inhabitant of Corbett National Park? A. Tiger. B. Bison. C. Elephant. D. Leopard. The correct answer is A. Tiger. Which region is described as lying on both sides of the equator in West Central Africa? A. The Congo Basin. B. The Great Rift Valley. C. The Swahili Coast. D. The African Great Lakes. The correct answer is A. The Congo Basin. What process involves the removal of surface material from the Earth's crust? A. Landforming. B. Deposition. C. Erosion. D. Transportation. The correct answer is C. Erosion. How did you score?